What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best pottery wheels on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Timelytrust Adjustable Pottery Wheel. One of the standout features of the Timelytrust Adjustable Pottery Wheel is its effortless centering mechanism. With the included repair tool and turntable clamp, locating the center of your pottery blank becomes a breeze. This feature streamlines the repair process, ensuring precision and efficiency in your ceramic projects. Additionally, the high-position foot support stabilizes the ceramic, preventing accidental displacement during repair sessions. Crafted from high-quality ABS material complemented by metal components, the pottery plate clamp boasts exceptional durability. Its robust design ensures longevity, making it a reliable companion for your ceramic endeavors. What's more, maintaining hygiene is hassle-free, as the clamp can be easily cleaned with water, ensuring a pristine working environment. Gone are the days of complicated setup processes. The Timelytrust Adjustable Pottery Wheel offers seamless installation, allowing you to focus on your creative pursuits without unnecessary delays. Simply place the repair clamp on the turntable, secure it in place by turning the turntable, and fasten the side buckle to stabilize the repair tool. Within moments, you're ready to unleash your artistic flair. Whether you're working on a small-scale project or tackling larger ceramics, this pottery wheel has you covered. Number 4. LifeDreamers 60W Pottery Wheel. Looking to dive into the world of ceramic artistry? The LifeDreamers 60W Pottery Wheel offers a vibrant and practical solution to unleash your creativity. In this comprehensive review, we explore its features, benefits, and why it's the perfect companion for both beginners and seasoned ceramic enthusiasts. Crafted with both aesthetics and functionality in mind, the LifeDreamer Pottery Wheel boasts a stunning design with vibrant colors that invigorate your creative space. Number 3. VEVOR 11 in Pottery Wheel. Unleash your artistic potential with the VEVOR 11 in Pottery Wheel, a powerhouse of performance and innovation. Experience the raw power of the VEVOR Pottery Wheel's 350W motor, meticulously crafted from the finest materials to tackle even the toughest of tasks. With the capability to effortlessly handle 11 pounds of clay and an expansive 11-inch turntable, this machine provides ample space for your creative endeavors. Whether you're sculpting small masterpieces or grand creations, the VEVOR Pottery Wheel is ready to bring your vision to life. Unlock your creative potential with the comprehensive sculpting toolset included in this kit. From the 8-piece stainless steel toolset to the 8-piece wood set and waterproof apron. Number 2. Hightoptools 350W Pottery Wheel. Discover the perfect blend of craftsmanship and innovation with the Hightoptools 350W Pottery Wheel. In this review, we explore its outstanding features and benefits, designed to elevate your ceramic artistry to new heights. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, the Hightoptools Pottery Wheel boasts exceptional quality and durability. Its aluminum alloy turntable offers stability and resistance to rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. Powered by a high-power motor, this pottery wheel delivers smooth operation with minimal noise, guaranteeing a seamless crafting experience. The waterproof push-button switch simplifies operation, allowing for effortless direction changes and enhanced convenience. With its compact structure and easy-to-clean ABS detachable basin, maintenance is a breeze, providing hassle-free pottery sessions. Experience unparalleled control with the Hightoptools Pottery Wheel's stepless speed change mode. Number 1. VEVOR 350W Pottery Wheel. In this review, we delve into its remarkable features and benefits, designed to elevate your pottery experience to new heights. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the 11-inch/28cm large aluminum alloy turntable of the VEVOR Pottery Wheel enables users to effortlessly create large pieces with ease. The enclosed water basin prevents mud erosion and penetration into the fuselage, ensuring a clean and efficient workspace. Additionally, the detachable design facilitates easy cleaning, allowing you to focus on your artistry. Enhance your creative process with the VEVOR Pottery Wheel's flexible operation features. Equipped with a foot pedal and a speed manual handle, it rotates smoothly with minimal noise, less than 60 dB, and offers a speed range of 0-300 or/min. The ability to switch between clockwise and counterclockwise rotations enriches the flexibility of the ceramic process, empowering you to bring your artistic vision to life. Your safety is paramount. The VEVOR pottery wheel features a single-phase 3-wire connection with an earth leakage protection device. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.